I have been trying to get insurance, a health insurance, for about last 8-9 years, and have been denied by almost 7-8 insurance companies. Imagine during COVID times, I had no insurance, and 95% of disabled people would not have insurance. Where the whole world was trying to get some insurance. There are government insurance which is there for people, but it gives you that fear and as well as that need.
In April 2022, I contracted the virus somehow, and I was hospitalized for 5 days. So when we tried to claim the insurance, because it was a large amount of money, the insurance was denied. They refused to take it into consideration because the only reason was that the reports mentioned my medical condition, which was nowhere related to why or how I contracted the virus.
There are many disabilities like multiple sclerosis where more than 80% of the people do not have disability certificate because of the problems.
You pay 3 times more money to live the same life like of your peers.
Ever since 2011, IRDAI thought that for people with disabilities, people with HIV/AIDS, and people with cancer and mental illness, we can issue a single policy. So they recognized at that point disability as a disease. Of course, that didn't happen.
All the companies are having the age bar, that is 18 to 65 years. So what happens with the children? So many other disabilities who are below 18 years.
The very first thing that we need to do is to firstly revisit this entire policy and the entire process of insurance, from proposal to claim settlement. How disability should be disclosed, how the premium assessment needs to happen, and not just disability, the other needs of persons with disabilities, which could be in form of therapeutic treatments, daycare procedures, assistive technology.
The thing is that we as people with disabilities have so many other needs. We have already talked about the higher costs of living. We are people living with assistive aids, which already cost a lot of money.
I have seen many machineries. I have purchased one of it, like Lift G. It cost me around 50,000. So for all my living experiences, these equipments are so costly.
India is a very progressive country. All of you agree that there is an insurance company which insures dogs. You know that or not? How many people are aware? So if dogs can be insured, disabled people can also be insured.
We also came to know about countries like Ghana who share similar HDI like us, who have a model where they levy cess for persons with disabilities, and that indirect tax is used to subsidize health insurance for people with disabilities who are living below poverty line.
So I think it's very important that we continue to apply for insurance to these companies, document the process, what has been the response, and we want to work together with the insurance company. We want to clear any doubts that they may have. Insurance like the government of India's Ayushman Bharat, we should have something for disabled people, since we are being discriminated blatantly by insurance companies till this works.